everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Benefit's new eyebrow pencil. Now they did add this eyebrow pencil to their collection a few days ago, and it is said to have fibers as well as powder within the pencil to help you have more volume in your eyebrows and to help them be more defined. So we're going to be testing that out today to see exactly how good this pencil is. Stay tuned. Okay, so to go ahead and get started, this pencil does retail for $25. You can get it at Ulta, you can get it at Sephora, you can also get it on Benefit's website directly. It does come in 12 shades, and today I will be using the shade number 5. Now, with this particular brow pencil right here, it is showing to be the first brow pencil with fibers and powder. The formula has silk cotton tree fibers, which adheres to the skin and hairs to volumize, fill, and define. And then it does, of course, state that it's going to give you that natural look as well. So let's go ahead and test this out and see exactly what it does for my eyebrows. As you can see, my eyebrows right now are looking pretty thin because I have on absolutely no makeup. So here's the pencil right here. It looks the same as, you know, their other brow pencils would normally look. It's a little bit thicker. It's not as slim as the other pencils, but it does come dual-ended with the brush at the end for you to comb out your eyebrows, and then it also does come with a thicker actual pencil. So I am going to go ahead and start by brushing out my eyebrows, and then we're going to go ahead and get close and personal so that you can see exactly what this looks like. Let me go ahead and turn on my mirror. If you are interested in this mirror as well, see the link below. You'll be able to visit my Amazon store to get that. Okay, so we are just going to go ahead and brush these eyebrows out. My eyebrows have always been pretty thin, so that is nothing out of the ordinary, but they are very past due for a wax treatment as well. So I will be going to my wax girl very soon. I will see you real soon, Drea. Okay, now that they are brushed out, I am going to go ahead and start filling them in and see exactly how this pencil feels. Now, right off of the bat, it feels much different than their other pencils. It does feel, the texture kind of gives off that powder-like feeling. It's kind of hard to describe, but I'm going to go ahead and keep drawing in some hair-like strokes. Alright, so here's what we look like so far. I'm going to take that brush again and just brush that hair up, and this looks really good. That looks very good actually. So I'm going to take the pencil and just go in a little bit deeper on the sides, on the ends, I'm sorry, just to really define it a little bit more. I'm going to use that pencil again just to give this as much of a natural look as I can. But you can already tell, compared to my left eyebrow, the volume is definitely there and it already looks better. So I think that I am going to stop there. So today I'm going to go ahead and take my Makeup Forever concealer. This is the self-setting concealer in the color 45. I'm also going to be using my Scott Barnes brush just to help carve out my eyebrows so that they'll look better. Now his brushes do not have a, oh, it does have a number 60 on it. So this is the Scott Barnes number 60 brush. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the liquid concealer, go under my brow just to carve it out a little bit more and make it look a little bit neater, and then we'll take a look at both of them compared to one another and see exactly how they look. Okay, so currently I am really loving this eyebrow pencil. This Benefit pencil is giving what it claims to give, which is a natural eyebrow look. It kind of gives you that boyfriend eyebrow look. You can make it as thick as you want to or as thin as you want to, and the fibers and the powder that's inside the pencil itself really does look very realistic. So I am going to go ahead and do my other brow off camera. We'll come back and see what it looks like, and then we'll talk about it. All right, so we are back, everyone. I've applied the other eyebrow off camera, and what do you think? I absolutely love the way this pencil makes my eyebrows look. It does give you kind of like that matte look to your eyebrows. You also have that more boyfriend natural look that Benefit does claim to give you, which is the natural defined look. I did have my reservations in regards to how big the pencil was. I didn't think that it would be able to get as natural hair strokes as it did, but I'm highly impressed on how natural the brows look with this particular product. Now, it does everything that it claims to do. Again, I mentioned that it comes in 12 shades. It's $25, and I highly recommend for you to go and pick that up, especially if you are a Benefit person and you love their products. You're going to love this new brow pencil. So thank you all for watching today. I hope you did enjoy this video and my quick eyebrow routine. Make sure that you like this video, support my content, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.